is Brent Wakefield, and I am a PhD student in the Department of Anatomy and Cell Biology. And I work under the supervision of Dr. Sylvia Penuela and Dr. Frank Beyer. And so in our lab, we're interested in a group of proteins called pannexins. And pannexins have been shown to create channels at cell membranes and allow the movement of molecules such as ATP in and out of the cell. And molecules such as ATP can act as signaling molecules to neighboring cells or the cell itself. And this mechanism has been shown to be one of the molecular mechanisms responsible for the development of many diseases. And of those diseases, such as osteoarthritis and obesity. And I'm interested in understanding how pannexin channels may be responsible for the development and progression of diseases such as osteoarthritis and obesity. And to do that, I use three different models, such as a cell model where I look at cartilage cells and fat cells and whether manipulating the function and expression of pannexin channels leads to a disease-like phenotype in these cells. Using animal models where we actually deleted the gene encoding for pannexin channels, such as pannexin 3, I look at how lifestyle factors such as exercise and obesity and how these channels, or the lack thereof, may be affecting joint health and metabolic health. And lastly, I look at bioinformatic data of human data to determine if there are any relationships between the expression levels of pannexin channels and certain diseases, or whether mutations in the genes encoding for pannexin may be associated with certain diseases such as osteoarthritis and obesity. And so the overall goal is to determine if we can target pannexin channels to attenuate the progression of debilitating diseases such as osteoarthritis and obesity. Thank you for listening.